Have you ever wondered how to change your Etsy shop name? I'm going to show you how in this quick video. So keep in mind that once your Etsy shop is active, you can only change your shop name up to 5 times. And then after that, you would actually have to submit a request to Etsy to have it changed. And then the shop name is whether or not the name approval is up to an Etsy support representative. So you want to not change your shop name all of the time. You want to be strategic with that. But let's say that you've gone through a rebrand or something similar and you really do want to change your shop name. So this is a new shop that I have been helping my mom with. I'll give you a quick little sneak peek here. This is what it looks like. Lavender Lane Quilts. Find it here on Etsy. And this is the sort of placeholder name that we got started with. She wasn't totally sure what she wanted the shop name to be. And so that's kind of what we just got started with. And then from there, if you want to change the shop name, it's perfect timing for this video because we have a new name for her shop. You go to Settings, Info, and Appearance. And right up here is the shop name you can change. And this is where I said once your shop is active, you can change this 5 times. So all of your links will continue to work. That's a really good thing. No one else is going to be able to use that old shop name, by the way. And then we let people know that you changed your shop name. So just so you know, there will be a little announcement on the top of your shop for 45 days, and then it'll go away that shows your new shop name. So this is her new name right here, Nona Quilts, and we're going to hit save. But unfortunately, it's not available, and that's perfectly fine because the account is closed. So we can change it to Nona Quilt Shop and hit save. There we go. Okay. And we can hit change shop name. Now, right here, it says further changes must be approved by Etsy support. As I said, it is 5, but because the shop is new, they may not want you to be able to change it right away. So I would want to be really sure of that name, but that's all you need to do to be able to change your Etsy shop name. I hope that you found this helpful, and if you want to learn more about how to be successful on Etsy, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel.